Hi, it's Dave here from DRD Allotment. I finished my night shift and I came down here and I'm still here, and it's 10 to 3. So, had a fire going a day, got rid of some of the pile of wood and covered some stuff, so I'll give you a bit of a tour what I've done. So, if you enjoy watching these videos, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. So I'll catch you in a tick. Okay, let's go for a little tour. The tomatoes are starting to grow and I've sorted that problem I had out. Yeah, I've been coming down every day making sure these have had a good watering, and I'm now not getting calcium deficiency. So it's my tomato plants. There's a couple of green ones coming on there. And we'll flip out here. Takes me next. Right, got cucumbers and chilies in. There's another cucumber grown. And if you come into here, you can see the chilies growing down there. One there, one over there. So, I thought there was peppers here, but the chilies. I thought the cucumber plants were dying, but no, they're still producing. All my tatties have gone now, so I've just cleared this area, put everything up there, except this, because my carrots just seem to be growing. So they're doing okay. All the peas are gone. So come up to this bed. Got me leeks and me beans. Look under there. Look at these. So start picking these soon. Me leeks. I think the rhubarb's come back again. I thought I was finished now, but it's shot back in. Yeah, that was taken right back to nothing, and they've shot back up. That's the soil from the tatties that's going to go in there. So I put some nutrients and all that in. I put some more cardboard down on there, put that on the top, and it's going to be the onion bed for the winter. This bed's out of action now. This bed's out of action. 2 lettuces left. I've just cleared that bed of weeds today. That one needs clearing. That's got strawberries in. I can't see any growing yet, but it's supposed to be strawberries in. That's clearing. That needs filling. That's dropped the soil in there. So all this needs clearing. Got to get in. There was loads of woods under the top under there. There was a top there with loads of wood under. That's all been gone and burnt. We Brussels sprouts, and it looks like I'm going to have to pull up my broccoli. So they look finished. We took them off. I thought I might have got some more growth off them, but it doesn't look like it. I've already pulled another couple of courgettes out of the day, so I don't know if there'll be any more growing, or just little ones today. So don't know if them will be finished. So I'll probably be clearing these out soon. This is where wild garden. Getting ready for next year. There's a few plants that's already in. Rob's put in. That's the comfrey. Make comfrey tea with that. So I'm going to need to cut it down. And this is what I've been doing. there was lots of wood there, and what I've done is, because I couldn't get it all burnt, I'm going to be building a fence along here. But this is all just dead stuff, dead in the figure, so we're going to put what we can't get rid of behind there. I'm putting a fence along here. This is all going to move over to that side. So I just put all this down. Same here. We're going to have to, I've got this cover to kill everything, because we want to turn it over, level it off. I think we're thinking of putting a pond in here. So that, and as I say, this will be our area for our composting. I would like to get another polytunnel, which will probably go from where that bin is to about here. I'll probably chop these branches down a bit to fit it in. So I would like to eventually get a larger polytunnel up to here, because I see that's getting moved over to there. It's just when I can get the time. So that's basically it. So there's a shot down the allotment from up here. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on another video. So bye for now.